I let it fall, my heart, and as it fails, you rose to claim it. It was dark and it was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I